Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. Many school-issued devices have strict limitations on what software you can install. These measures are typically in place to ensure a secure learning environment and keep students focused on their studies. Before attempting any methods, it's essential to understand your school's specific rules regarding personal use of their equipment. This knowledge will guide your approach. There are a few common avenues to explore. First, check if your Chromebook supports Android applications. If so, you might find Roblox in the Google Play Store. Alternatively, some users explore web-based versions or cloud gaming platforms that stream the game. Another method involves using a virtual private network, or VPN, which can sometimes circumvent network restrictions. However, success varies greatly depending on your specific device and school network setup. It's important to be aware of potential challenges. Attempting to bypass school security measures could result in disciplinary action, ranging from warnings to loss of device privileges. Furthermore, using unofficial methods or third-party sites might expose your Chromebook to security risks like malware. Even if you gain access, the device's hardware or the school's internet speed might limit your gaming performance, leading to a less than ideal experience. Ultimately, responsible gaming is key. Always prioritize your academic responsibilities and ensure your schoolwork is completed first. If you wish to play, consider politely asking your school's IT department or teachers if there are approved methods, or simply enjoy Roblox on your personal devices outside of school hours. Always double-check that any method you use adheres to your school's policies and the game's terms of service to avoid any issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.